you guys, it's Cindy at Raspberry Sandwich. I am not the star of the show today. Star of the show are these. Look at that. These are my sunflower crochet coasters made of I love this cotton. Hobby Lobby's I love this cotton. 100% cotton yarn. There's the back. And there's the front. Now, my sandwich, my shop, Raspberry Sammich, is vintage and craft hub. Now, on the top of my shop when you visit it, it'll say Kitschy Picks and Handy Makes. So I have not listed any of my handy makes yet, so here we are. And I'm going to list these in my shop real soon. Now, to go along with the vintage theme, I have added my little cup. This cup is so neat. I can't turn it over and say who the maker is. Isn't he cool looking? It's stoneware and it's like a speckled pattern. Found it at an estate sale. But he is sitting on top of this. Now, I crocheted this about 4 or 5 years ago. And that's how long it lasts. So I just wanted to show you. They're so versatile. These coasters, over time, they become flat. Through the centers, especially. These right here, not so much, but they will. Over time, the petals will become flat. And you can just use them for just about anything you want in your kitchen. You can hang them on your wall. Or not. I just leave them sitting around. And grab one when I need it. This right here, these I put a border around these. It's a sunflower pattern of crochet coasters. And they will be available in my shop. Now, I don't have the link for these. You can find 100 patterns for sunflower crochet coasters. So these right here have got different colors. There's one in green. Another one in green. Another one in green. It's burgundy. It has some burgundies. Perfect for fall. Perfect for sitting on your counters. Perfect for, like I say, use them as decor. You hang them on the wall. Attach them to your car. In your rearview mirror if you want to. Anything can be done with these sunflower coasters. That one's in gold. I have one in gold. And then I have about 6 of these that don't have anything around them. Sunflowers. And these little guys here, little squirrel salt and pepper shakers, are just background. Part of my little collection. Thought, well, I'm going to start collecting squirrels. You can't collect enough stuff. But, yeah, these sunflower coasters will be listed in my shop pretty soon. I just wanted to share these with y'all. And let you see them. That there will be some handy makes listed there. Not just vintage, but some handmade items as well. And I thank you for stopping by. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.